We've made it off the plane. We make it through security, through customs, through baggage control. Now the only thing between me and my family is an automatic sliding glass door. We wait, afraid of what's on the other side, afraid if this is a trap or if they're not as well as we thought. A brave soul takes the first step. The doors part, and the other side is the biggest welcome party I have ever seen. Everyone who I thought I may never see again stands before me, well, alive, a little skinny but breathing. There is not one person who isn't crying tears of joy. We walk outside with the memory of the full streets, the bazaar, the people full of life, and stop to remind ourselves that it's different, that the people just got their freedom back, that they just got their freedom back. We walk outside, there is not one piece of Uyghur culture, one piece of Uyghur writing in sight. All the mosques are demolished, still covered in rubble and dust. Even the Uyghur people have forgotten themselves. The CCP has ripped our identity. So when we get inside, it's decorative for sure, but it's not our culture. It's not how we represent ourselves. And as we sit with our family in disbelief, the questions start. How did you know what's happening? What's going on? Who controls us? What do we do? What's it like out there? How are we supposed to answer these complex questions when we don't have the answers? So we sit in silence. It's not awkward, it's comforting to know that we can finally be at home with them again. This freedom is going to take a while to get used to, but we are grateful.